National Park. Come with me to the National Park. We have to look for this Kauja River. Wow, I like this place. Caveman caves. Wow. Estepillo, don't write on the sandstone. Look how the trees are there on the edge. This is werewolf have made this. Wow. This place is cool. Very amazing place. We recommend Estonians to come check it out and our Latvian friends too. Give me the pen. Give me back my pen. Kastanis, Sketra, Osis, Apse, Liepa, Alksins, Egle.